it's exciting because all of these guys are out here working hard, really want to be a part of the national program. You can tell just by talking to them, and you can even just see it in the way they play, in their eyes, the pride they have of wearing the uniform, says Jamaica around the front. But they're all out there working hard, and that's really, from a coaching aspect, all you can ask for. They're out here giving their best and letting us evaluate them at their best.
And speaking,
So, yeah, it's been a good weekend.
and speaking about the evaluation, what are you specifically kind of looking for?
Well, honestly, we're looking for guys that fit in the FIBA rules, number one, from an eligibility standpoint. So we've sort of identified the guys that are non-naturalized, to use a FIBA term, and then the guys that are naturalized. And then we sort of try to sort them out according to that. But from a physical standpoint, we want guys that are hard-nosed, that are defenders first, and we need guys that can put the ball in the basket. So, it's not a really complicated game. I think coaches have a tendency to overcomplicate it. But we need guys that can get down, get their nose in somebody's chest and defend, and then guys that can put the ball in the basket.
We had probably 55 players who actually turned up for the trial team yesterday. The coaches reduced the numbers today, approximately 40. But from yesterday, the energy has been up. Everybody really came ready, putting their best foot forward. Clearly, really matters to them. For the record, with that green in the bill. We're looking forward to that transparency after this. Next stage is to reduce the numbers again for training camp and then also tournament.